0 feet altitude. 5 feet distance. 1 miles per hour. 99% battery.
Gonna start a little mission. Fly up the road. High altitude too, 425. So I should be able to keep my signal. Not a long mission. It's gonna go up around the cell tower. Well, come on back.
374 feet altitude. 320 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 94% battery.
There she goes. Should lose signal, I don't think, with the altitude, but you never know. Focus looks good. It's gonna scoot over these fields, go up around the tower, head back around the park, and mission accomplished. Got the tracker on board, tested it before I took off.
425 feet altitude. 1,672 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 89% battery.
No wind today, which is when I like to fly. Everybody does. That's a dumb statement. Go inside, I can get probably lose connection here. Maybe. Yeah, good signal still. Decent. It's the altitude. I might lose it for a minute here, but I'm losing the picture, but I got saying 41% connection. Yeah. Higher the better.
.424 feet altitude. 3,693 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 85% battery.
It's still connected, but the picture's choppy, but that's okay.
Warning, disconnected.
That's to be expected. It's on the far end of the tower. Now it's back. Yep. This isn't a long mission, saying 11 minutes. I got my picture back. It's going to be sketchy for the next minute, couple minutes. But there it is. Go back outside.
.424 feet altitude. 2,444 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 78% battery.
Got a nifty new pair of gloves. Touchscreen. My hands still get cold, but at least I got gloves on. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon.
.424 feet altitude, 1,231 feet distance, 24 miles per hour,
Good speed.
74% battery.
Now it's going. It's up there high, so I'm not worried about hitting the trees. I like to fly a little bit lower, but you lose your signal easy. So you're going around the park right now. And it's going to go up the road a wee bit and then come back. I should have a lot of battery left over. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, my son bought me a 4K monitor, 28 inch, which finally does these videos justice, because, you know, you shoot in 4K.
424 feet altitude, 1,140
but the picture's only as good as the monitor you got, and I think mine was like
battery.
a 1080p at best, so I mean I would see a big, it was a 32-inch monitor I was using. I'd see a big picture, but when I switched over to the 4K, which is like literally 4 times as large, you know, and the detail is just incredible. I was like kind of blown away when I saw how things that I've never noticed, that I couldn't see before. You know, you can see what street signs say. I took a screenshot of something like the horse farm in the distance, and I could see a horse way off in the field had white hooves, and 2 other horses in the barn. Things like that. Like you just don't, you take it for granted. Oh, that's a good picture, but wow, when you go to 4K, holy crap, you see everything.
424 feet altitude.
Well worth it.
2,691 feet distance. 25 miles per hour.
Yeah, he bought it for me
65% battery.
for Christmas. I kind of was messing around with him. Hey, why don't you give me a monitor for Christmas? I kind of really didn't mean it, but I had one I had picked out on Amazon. I had it in my shopping cart, and just for the hell of it, I sent him the link, and Christmas Eve, UPS dropped it off. I'm like, holy crap, he really did get it for me. What a good kid. Much appreciated. Since this is my primary hobby, got some stray snowflakes in the air. But
424 feet altitude. 2,297 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 61% battery.
Nothing major. Yesterday in the wind, my gimbal went bluey and the thing started shaking. The camera itself jolted from side to side, and then it just basically it cut the video. It stopped the video. It's not doing that today. Yesterday was really cold and windy, and I probably shouldn't have been flying, but I never let that stop me. Just the end of the mission here. Got a lot of battery left.
.424 feet altitude. 1,140 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 56% battery.
I see it.
Mission ended.
Mission ended. I take over.
425 feet altitude, 1,249 feet distance, 33 miles per hour, 51% battery. $423 feet altitude, 1,519 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 44% battery.
No man's land. Nice place to visit, but I wouldn't want to live there. Come on down a little bit. Still got 40% battery.
370 feet altitude, 999 feet distance, 36 miles per hour, 38% battery.
Pretty long flight so far, 13 minutes. Yesterday I was flying in the wind and only got like about 12 minutes out of each flight.
$300 feet altitude, 861 feet distance, 26 miles per hour, 33% battery.
See if I can. Yeah, I see him up there. There we go with the nagging.
$196 feet altitude, 492 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 28% battery.
I got it in line of sight.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%. 127 feet altitude. 264 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 23% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 23%.
I know. Shut up.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
Nice and stable today.
5 feet altitude. 8 feet distance. 1 miles per hour. 19% battery.
Nice flight. 18% battery. How long?
Warning, aircraft battery at 18%.
17 minutes. Alright. Well, that was cool. Probably go out a little bit later when the boy gets home with the car. About.